opening one of my open-ended toys. These are actually building blocks in a form of buckles. I like this toy because it enhances my imagination. It helps me to improve my visual sense because the pieces are colorful. It also helps me to stimulate my tactile sense and hand-eye coordination. Now let's create some images out of these bubbles. Look, I made glasses. They made a windmill.
Is that a windmill?
Yes. Look here. Number 3. But then one is super easy. Easy peasy. Okay, now. They made a crown. Look. Cute, diba? At yung ganda ba? Oh. Let's disassemble. Look, I made a bird. The head is down because it's eating bird food. It's eating. Then you not eat and drink. Then I break the 4th one. Now the 5th one. That's sheep. You know what's that? It's sheep.
What's that one?
And sheep. Running sheep, fast sheep. Sheeps are not fast. You know that. They're slow. Not fast.
What's next?
The motorcycle. Oh.
Is it done?
I made a motorcycle.
Okay.
Motorcycle goes down
Great
and
job,
goes
Ann.
back. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. See you later. Can I pack this away na po?
Okay.